So it's Monday 24th, yet again, back to eat out to help out because we're so considerate. So where we're going today, June?
Is it TGI Fridays?
It's TGI Fridays. Got a full load in the back.
I just woke up from that.
Everybody's happy, so let's get there. Booked in for 4 o'clock, it's now 3:33. See if we can make it in time for his booking. So it's 3:48, so that's how close we are to place. I think we set off at 3:33, so however long that is. So we just today, I don't know if I've already said, we're off to TGI Fridays. See what that is. Right, you have to queue up for that. Queue up to eat in. 2-hour wait. Got a picture in deck chair.
Okay, so Dad forgot his mask, so we were just waiting for him to come back. And we're like outside the TGI Fridays, so
Right, wrong way, John. Where's Charlie? Smiling. I think we're all ordering off main one. Go have somebody sitting next to you, Charlie. Exams.
Thank you.
Yeah, which is yours? What are you having, Gemma?
American
Tell me.
Thank you. Is it
Refillable. Tell me, Gemma. So what's in your burger then? Huh?
Beef.
What's it say, read it?
A beef burger.
Is that all it says?
A beef burger grilled.
Oh, you're full of entertainment today, aren't you? Show me it again, because I can't see it. It does, that's all it says, a beef burger grill. It's good. Are you having Thomas?
I'm having the ultimate ribs.
Show me it on your page, yeah? Thank you.
There you are, guys.
Yes. What is it?
Ultimate ribs. Wants ribs. Ultimate ribs.
I don't know what you're having, Joan.
Well, I was going to have this sizzling rump steak eaters,
Yes.
but this garlic chicken looks nice as well.
Whereabouts is garlic chicken?
You can have it with spicy rice, seasonal veg, and spicy
Let's go try that one. I'll just try that one underneath that Fridays sesame chicken strips with house fries. So it's quite spaced out.
We do a sharing one or a single one?
Sharing one, please, yeah.
Sharing cheese nachos. Lovely.
And then can we have 2 of our ultimate ribs, full rack?
Ultimate.
And then sesame chicken strips with house fries.
Yeah.
What are you having, Gemma? Classic American for Gemma and June.
the garlic chicken with spicy rice and veg in that, please. Thank you.
Have you any sides or anything, guys?
No.
Lovely, that's
Thank you.
Cheers.
Menu looks nice and it's nice and social distancing. We've got a good table. So up to now, I'm impressed. Table ordering, no app, so that's a bonus for me because I usually end up doing it on app and it makes me nervous. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Well, you gotta go get a job then, haven't you?
Oh, I thought that's
I don't need to get a job.
Joan's got a sharing platter.
These plates for that then?
Well, we'll just take them off and just eat them. So that looks nice. Wanna get some, Thomas? Going the whole way and sharing it out. Gemma. Just get one if you want, Charlie, and just get a piece and just eat it. What?
We noticed that one was from somewhere. So with the 2 people.
With blonde hair, grey hair, not really bad thing.
Get off, yeah, I've been on it, Gemma.
Oh, you're getting so much now,
Everyone thinks it's amazing.
I think this is my favourite place up to now.
We're sharing the nacho platter. Nice, very nice and fresh.
That's
Everybody apart from Gemma's enjoying this one. That's nice. Hot jalapeno one.
I said to June, I thought you said them peppers were hot. Me and I told you.
What are we doing there? Sharing platter is now turned into just June's starter.
Nobody will keep offering, nobody's eating
But there's
it.
no plate in front of you then now if everybody's finished.
It's supposed to now change.
Everyone will be complaining, we won't be watching the new Disney film that Ivan filmed, she'll be just going to sleep when we get home. Still working hard on it. Only 180, she's full and hasn't even had this main course yet. Not enough time when she's happy because she wears two sexy glasses on her head. And then when she's extremely happy she wears three pairs. Last dregs now. Are that the best ones that you've had in a long while? What did you like?
One item. It's supposed to be a share, but I ended up eating the majority.
Nice guacamole. Guacamole,
Picture with your daughter.
Huh?
Picture with your daughter.
Lovely
Yep.
stuff, there we go. And I'll be garlic chicken.
Thank
Go,
you.
the bigger guy over there.
And smiling Joe. Gemma and Jewel. You what?
These fries are nice.
I'm going to fill you up a little bit.
Oh my god, that
Because Charlie's.
It's great.
That's mine, thank you.
There we go. And then I've got two full wraps of Billy Glazed ribs. And just grab your one.
Hey Thomas, give us a smile. We'll look at Dad's portion, Son's portion. And Charlie's got same as well.
Okay, here we go. You alright to grab that? If you hold the wooden bit, my love, have we got it?
Thank you very much.
And do we need any of the sauce or anything?
Alright? Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Charlie, give us a smile first. Take your hat off. Smile. That's everybody happy eating. We'll be back in 10 minutes to see how we're all doing. The sauce is dipped out all over. Sesame seed.
I think so. That burger man.
Added on the meat now. It's a big rack, what's that? Full rack of 10 minutes in. Thomas is a quarter way through his ribs. Charlie's doing well. Emma's eating all the burger. He's found himself. Most of us finished, boys are still working away through the big ribs.
No,
how did you feel about yours, Joan?
It was nice, yeah, I enjoyed it.
About yours, Gemma?
It was nice, but I'm a bit hungry still.
Still hungry?
I must admit,
Mine were nice too.
I'll just say now for all the eating percent scheme this month, Grill Pit and here are up in the top 2. I would say the meal at the Grill Pit were just slightly better and bigger, and I enjoyed it more because it was more my taste. But for the space, the waitressing, the speed and just the place where to eat, I would say this was a lot better than the Grill Pit.
This one was better for me because when I came I got an adult's menu, and when I normally go to other restaurants I get kids menus, so it filled me up a little bit more.
Got a burger and you really enjoyed it. Proper meat burger, so that one out.
It had onions, tomato, cheese and actual beef in it with chips on the side.
So that looks like a successful meal. You enjoy yours, Thomas? Right, the best lunch so far out of them all?
Might be, yeah.
Might be, yeah.
Okay, so we've finished our meals and we're going to be going into the actual shopping centre now. But I don't know if we're going to vlog that, but
Probably not. Probably
yeah.
So wear it like that, or
Do you want to wear mine?
Here's the bill, even with £10 off. Not too bad.
I liked it. What were you doing?
£96.40. £96.40.
No.
And then the discount, so it's £48.20. £48.20. It was £96 as it thought.
Well done.
So we're all happy with that price?
Yeah. Not see, you haven't got full home. We've had a start on that. Do we?
Ready to do a robbery.
My feet was too small.
Go on then, follow your mum. Well, I think we all enjoyed that, did we?
Yeah.
You all enjoyed it in the back?
Yeah.
Charlie? Well, you enjoyed that with us. I think that's one of the best ones we've had during this eat out to help out, isn't it? So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.